all, in this class we are going to learn Malayalam letters. We need script of the language to read and write, and the Malayalam script has centuries of history. Malayalam letters originated from an ancient script, Brahmi. Brahmi is an ancient writing system of South Asia. For easy understanding, let's divide the history of Malayalam script into Old Malayalam and New Malayalam. The oldest available inscription written in Old Malayalam is the Koilon Syrian copper plates in the period of 9th century. Old Malayalam was the earliest attested form of Malayalam and was used in official records. From the 8th century to the 15th AD, Vatteluthu script was widely used in the region. The Vatteluthu system was also known as Nanam Monam. The name came from the mantra Om Namo Narayana, which was used to start the royal charters. Kolezhuthu is another script that was used to write Malayalam at the beginning of the 20th century. Both Vatteluthu and Kolezhuthu had same characteristics. This script was written by using sharp writing tools, Eluthani. So, this writing has been called Kolezhuthu. Old Malayalam gradually developed into Middle Malayalam by the 13th century. Between the 13th and 14th centuries, many texts were written. It was the era of Sandesha Kavya and Chambus. The literary work of this period were heavily influenced by Manipravalam, which was the combination of Middle Malayalam and Sanskrit. Modern Malayalam succeeded Middle Malayalam by the 15th century. The modern Malayalam script evolved from the Grantha alphabet, which was a script for Sanskrit. It was also used to write Manipravalam, a language that is a blend of Sanskrit and Malayalam. Tunjathu Ramanujan Ezhuthachan has been credited the development of Malayalam script in its current form. The new method of writing through his works became popular among Malayali people. The script of Malayalam language is called Aksharamala. Printing prose, literature and journalism developed in the second half of the 18th century. Modern literary movements in Malayalam literature began in the 19th century. The first printing press was established in Kottayam, named the CMS Press. Benjamin Bailey was the founder. Benjamin Bailey's role was very crucial in the development of the Malayalam script. The first newspaper, Jnana Nikshepam, published by the CMS Press in 1848. There were many printing presses functioning throughout Kerala then after. In the 19th and 20th centuries are the most crucial period in the history of Malayalam literature, printing and publication history of Kerala. The Malayalam language is one of the richest language in India because of its literary works. All the new trends of literature are reflected in this language and learned from time to time. Malayalam language and literature are still being developed. Then, the government of Kerala reformed the orthography of Malayalam in 1971. The objective was to simplify the script for print and typewriting technology of that time. The reformed script came into effect on the 15th April 1971. The Malayalam script was added to the Unicode standard in October 1991 with the release of version 1.0. With the advent of computers, inputting was done in modern Malayalam and several fonts are now available, such as Kartika, MLTT Kartika, Revati, etc., which are Unicode enabled. Orthography reformation 2022 also been noticed. The recommendation committee of Kerala government cancelled the version report of 1971. The modified script is implemented in Malayalam language and would now partially revert to the old script as per the order GO number 4/2022. Malayalam script is a segmented writing system of consonant vowel sequences written as a unit. Each consonant letter possesses an inherent vowel A. Each unit is based on a consonant letter with the secondary vowel notation. Malayalam Aksharamala has 15 vowels, 36 consonants and 5 pure consonants. An Anuswaram and Visargam apart from geminations and other cluster forms. Mostly the hand movement in Malayalam is clockwise, rarely anti-clockwise movement also there. Generally, traditional and shape similarity methods both can follow to learn letters. Here we are starting with the shape similarity. The letters here are arranged into a group of their shape. According to the progress of learning, we will jump into traditional method too. The first unit has 7 letters. These have been grouped on the basis of its shapes. It is the intermixed group of consonants and pure consonant letters. This group has 4 consonant and 3 pure consonant letters. The letters are Ra, Ra, Ir, Ta, Il, Na and In. Let's come back to first one. The first letter sound is Ra. See, its shape is like semi-round. You can see 2 numbered strokes in this letter. First stroke started from down. Then it is coming like this and stops here. This is 36th letter in Malayalam Aksharamala and easiest letter to write in Malayalam. Now you learned one letter to write. Pronounce the sound of the letter while writing practice. Definitely that will help you to remember both the sound and shape. Let's go to second letter. Sound of this letter is Ra. Here also you can see the same semi-round shape with an extra stroke. Like the first letter, this letter also started from down. And write the letter Ra with one more stroke like this. It becomes the next letter Ra. So the first letter is Ra and second one is Ra. Ra is the 27th letter of the consonant set of Malayalam Aksharamala. Note it, we can differentiate the pronunciation here of these two. While producing the sound of first letter, tongue tip rises towards the upper part of the mouth and pronounce with many fast touches. When you spell out this letter, your lips will be flat and a little round in shape. For the second letter, tip of your tongue touches lightly the alveolar ridge. Many touches doesn't need here. Let's move to the third letter. This letter has to pronounce ir. This is a pure consonant letter. As we noticed, all Malayalam consonants have inherent letter a. Ra and ra, the previous letters we learned also having the same inherent. But because of this letter is pure consonant, no need to spell the inherent letter a. Remember, pure consonant letters won't come initial position of the word in the language. I hope you learned these three letters. Now let's go to the fourth one. This letter has to pronounce ta. This is the 16th letter of the consonant set of Malayalam Aksharamala. While producing this sound, the tip of your tongue firmly presses against the upper teeth. This letter seems quite easy to pronounce. Here you can see the growth of the shape from the letter Ra to Ta. Now the fifth letter. This letter is Il. It is a pure consonant letter. From the letter Ta, if you bring a small notation up, the letter will become Il. Let us go to the next letter. This letter is Na. This is the 20th letter of the consonant set of Malayalam Aksharamala. We are already learnt the letter Ta. If we avoid the middle space of the letter Ta, that is Na. Here is a notable thing. The language has one more pronunciation for the same letter, that is Na. Of course, different pronunciation for the same script. One is Na. Another one is Na. As per the rule of the language, alveolar Na should not come in the initial position of any Malayalam word. So, if the letter is in the initial position, it has to be pronounced Na, does not Na. If the letter is in the middle or final position, that would be Na. Now the last letter of this group. It has to pronounce as In. It is a pure consonant letter. From the letter, if you bring a small notation up like a previous letter, the letter will become In. Remember the rule of pure consonant letters. In this group, we learned 5 consonant letters include alveolar Na and 3 pure consonant letters. The letters are Ra, Ra, Ir, Ta, Il, Na and In. That's all for today. Dear all, practice the letters. Thank you.